Have you ever wondered why some paper airplanes can fly across an entire room while others crash and burn almost immediately? Well, if you have, then this video is for you because today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect paper airplane by using one sheet of paper. Most of us have made a paper airplane at some point in our lives, but many people don't know some of these simple folds that can make a paper airplane fly 10 times better. I've made a lot of paper airplanes as a kid, and after practicing a lot of different designs, the one I'm teaching you today, this one right here, is the best and the easiest to make. So this is the paper airplane that we are going to be making today. And to start, you're going to need your one sheet of paper, and you can use any kind of paper. You could use construction paper or printer paper, but this is the simplest, and everyone could have this around in their house. So the first fold we are going to make is going to be directly down the center here. So go ahead, you'll need a hard surface to make this fold on, and you just want to line up the edges, and so you get the perfect crease in the middle, just like so. So this crease will create the body of our plane, which is right here, that runs all along down here, and this is actually what we will hold on to throw our paper airplanes. So to start the nose of our paper airplane, we are going to fold this corner here into the center to this fold, and then we will do the same on the other side. So I'm folding down that corner to the center, just like so. And we'll do that to the other side as well. And make sure these folds are very clean in order to keep the paper airplane even. Just like that. And so now we have these two triangles on the top, and it looks like a little house. So now the next step is to fold the paper airplane onto itself, so we have two identical sides to our paper airplane. Go ahead and smooth out all the creases that we have already made, just like this. And this is the first area of our paper airplane. So we have our nose created, and we have the body, but we are missing our wings. And so now to create our wings, we are going to take this edge here on both sides, and we are going to take this down so this edge here lines up with the body of our paper airplane. So I'm going to do that now. Folding it down, pushing down on that crease really hard. And so there we go. There's our first fold. We're going to do it on the other side as well. There we go. So there is the beginning of our wings. Now you see we have all this excess paper back here. It's kind of bulky, and it's pretty thin too. So we want to create some more weight back here, and so not all of the weight is in the front, and when we throw it, it'll just go straight down. So we're going to go ahead and do the same exact thing and fold this on top of each other once again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and fold it on top of one another on each side. Every fold we make here is done on each side, so then our paper airplane is even. So I did it on one side, now I'm doing it on the other. And according to NASA, paper airplanes fly using some of the same basic principle as real paper airplanes. So that's why we want it to be thin and aerodynamic so it can easily glide through the air. And the Smithsonian also explains that small changes in the wing shape, like we have here, can affect how the paper airplane flies. So it's not always just in the nose, it is in the wings as well. And so we have created our paper airplane. The last thing you will do is you'll flatten it down again, just like this, and then we'll fluff the wings back out, just so it's nice and crisp, just like this. And so here we have our two paper airplanes. They come out the same exact size and shape every single time using this method. So I hope you learned something new today, and you take what you learn, and if you have some spare time and you want to do something fun and creative, go ahead and make yourself one of these paper airplanes. So thank you for watching.